Hello toppers. Today in this video we are going to discuss regarding what is X-linked recessive inheritance, and adding to that we are going to discuss why affected mothers were passing on the disease only to their sons, not to their daughters. So here let us decode these two things. So first, X-linked recessive. So X-linked is indicating that the disease is mainly related to the sex chromosome level. So, and here this recessive is indicating that we need two affected genes to manifest the disease. So now let's have some basic understanding regarding the chromosomes. In the previous video itself we had discussed regarding that in detail. So here in case of male offspring, they will be having 23 pairs of chromosome. Out of that, 22 pairs will be of autosomes and one pair will be of sex chromosome, and that too in case of male it is XY, and in case of female the similar pattern, there will be 22 pairs of autosomes and one pair of sex chromosome, that is of pattern XX. So basically in each pair we will be having one chromosome from the father and another chromosome from the mother. So this is the basic understanding. So now let's go in detail to decode this question. So here, in order to decode the question why affected mothers pass the disease to sons, we should create two scenarios. So one scenario could be affected father. What happens if the father is affected? And another one scenario is affected mother. So in order to explain this, let us take the X-linked recessive condition hemophilia, which is because of the deficiency of factor 8 hemophilia A, and hemophilia B is because of the deficiency of clotting factor 9, that is Christmas factor. So now we are taking hemophilia A in the scenario. So first, affected father and healthy mother. So in case of affected father, he will be having XY chromosome. So here already I told the problem is in the X chromosome. So here comes our mutated gene, and Y chromosome I am mentioning it short for the understanding purpose. And in case of healthy mother, we will be having XX chromosome. Both will be of healthy pattern. I'll try to mention it in separate color, Y chromosome. So now let's see the offspring pattern. So basically we can expect these four patterns. So first is affected X chromosome and healthy X chromosome from mother. And then in case of second pattern, affected X chromosome from father and healthy X chromosome from mother. And now comes the third pattern. Here we will be having the Y chromosome from father and healthy X chromosome from mother. And the same in case of fourth also, we will be having healthy Y chromosome from father and healthy X chromosome from mother. So this is the basic offspring pattern we can expect. So here in case of a scenario, it is female child of both XX chromosome. But here, as I had already mentioned, there is only one gene affected. So in case of X-linked recessive, we need two genes to be affected to manifest the disease. So here the girl child is of carrier state. so they won't manifest the disease. So here in case of second scenario, it is a female child, and as one chromosome is there, it is of in carrier state. Third scenario is of healthy male, and in case of fourth scenario is also healthy male. So this is the pattern we can expect. Okay. So in case of affected father, we have chances of getting daughters with carrier state. So now let us move on to the second scenario, that is affected mother and healthy father. So now let us discuss regarding the second scenario, that is healthy father and affected mother. So now let's see the pattern of offspring. So in case of first pattern, we will be receiving healthy X chromosome from father and healthy X chromosome from mother. And in case of second scenario, we will be receiving one healthy X chromosome from father and affected X chromosome from mother. And in case of third scenario, we will be receiving Y from the father and healthy X chromosome from the mother. And in case of last scenario, we will be receiving one Y chromosome from father and affected X chromosome from the mother. So now let's see the interpretation. In case of first scenario, it is a female child and is of healthy in nature. So in case of second scenario, we have one female child with one affected X chromosome. See here the explanation is of two types. Already I had mentioned that in case of recessive, we require two affected genes to manifest the disease. So here there is no chances of manifestation. And other way I can explain this that there are two X chromosome, and out of that only one is affected. So the healthy chromosome will overpower the affected chromosome and will not lead to the manifestation of the disease. So here what happens? The female child will be of in carrier state, and then comes the third pattern. Here it is of healthy male child, and in case of fourth pattern, it is of male child with one affected X chromosome. So here the main point of discussion comes, as there is no healthy X chromosome to overpower this affected chromosome in the fourth scenario, this male child will be of diseased. Okay, so here comes the decoding session. In case of affected mother, if they are having daughters, there are equal chances either it may be a carrier or it may be healthy. And in case of son, there are 50% of chances to develop the disease and 50% of remaining as a healthy child. So this is the explanation for our question, why the affected mother pass on the disease to the sons instead of daughters, because in case of daughters, they will be having one healthy X chromosome which can overpower the affected X chromosome. But in case of sons, as they are having only one X chromosome, if that too getting affected, that they will surely manifest the disease. So this is the explanation, and thank you so much. Happy learning with us, and we will continue our discussion with some interesting questions. You can type down your questions in the comment section so we can go with the discussion further in the future. Thank you.